The FORNAX 3000 PSI Paint Sprayer is designed for both professional contractors and ambitious DIY enthusiasts, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of painting projects. Equipped with a powerful 5/8 horsepower motor, this sprayer ensures efficient and consistent paint application, handling both water-based and oil-based paints effortlessly. The airless technology allows for a smooth, even finish, minimizing overspray and ensuring that every surface is covered uniformly. With its 25-foot-long non-kink hose and compact design, this sprayer offers excellent mobility, making it easy to maneuver around large areas without hassle. The built-in handle and flexible suction tube add convenience, letting you draw paint directly from the bucket and reducing the mess typically associated with paint jobs. Ideal for both interior and exterior applications, the FORNAX paint sprayer is perfect for walls, garages, decks, and fences, making it a great tool for any painting task.